Gene therapy is rapidly evolving from a promising research area to a mature commercial space. In this evolving environment, understanding the trajectory of individual gene therapies is paramount for all stakeholders. This report presents a strategic forecast of the top-selling gene therapies in 2024, analyzing key market levers and projecting their impact on sales through 2027. As of 2024, Zolgensma Novartis for spinal muscular atrophy leads with $1.1 billion in annual sales, driven by global market penetration, newborn screening adoption, and sustained payer support. It's poised for continued leadership with projected sales of $1.34 billion in 2025, $1.42 billion in 2026, and $1.47 billion in 2027. Following Zolgensma, we have Elevidys 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗥𝗔𝗣𝗬 muscular dystrophy, which generated $821 million in 2024. Its strong performance is expected to grow to $910 million in 2025, $1.01 billion in 2026, and $1.08 billion in 2027, supported by label expansion and clinical guideline integration. Vyjuvek Crystal Biotech for dystrophic epidermolysis bullosa achieved $290 million in sales. With high unmet need and increasing physician adoption, it is projected to reach $350 million in 2025, $420 million in 2026, and $490 million by 2027. 𝗕𝗟𝗢𝗘𝗏 approved for bladder cancer posted $79 million in 2024. It is expected to grow sharply with greater oncologist awareness and guideline support, reaching $120 million in 2025, $160 million in 2026, and $210 million in 2027. 𝗕𝗟𝗢𝗘𝗥𝗦 for beta thalassemia earned $62.3 million and is forecast to grow to $90 million in 2025, $1,125 million in 2026, and $150 million in 2027 as more transfusion-dependent patients gain access and coverage improves. Roctavian Biomarin treating hemophilia made $26 million in 2024 but is expected to benefit from increasing adoption and improved clinical confidence, growing to $80 million in 2025, $140 million in 2026, and $180 million in 2027. 𝗕𝗟𝗢𝗘𝗥𝗦 treating metachromatic leukodystrophy posted $22.5 million. As diagnostic capabilities expand and patient referrals improve, it is expected to achieve $40 million in 2025, $75 million in 2026, and $100 million in 2027. 𝗕𝗟𝗢𝗘𝗥𝗦, the first FDA-approved gene therapy for retinal dystrophy, reported $21 million in 2024 and is projected to modestly increase to $25 million. $30 million and $35 million over the next 3 years due to plateaued but stable market presence. 𝗕𝗟𝗢𝗘𝗥𝗦 for sickle cell disease earned $11.6 million in its launch year. With broader rollout and payer education, sales are anticipated to climb to $50 million in 2025, $100 million in 2026, and $140 million in 2027. 𝗧𝗛𝗘𝗏 treating cerebral adrenoleukodystrophy had $5.9 million in revenue. Ongoing physician education and patient registry support are expected to drive increases to $20 million in 2025, $40 million in 2026, and $65 million in 2027. Forecasted growth in this space will depend on several key factors, including continued medical progress, pricing negotiations, payer support, and global market expansion. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for biopharmaceutical companies, investors, and other stakeholders looking to capitalize on the immense potential of gene therapy.